In this video, I'll show you how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. Financial aid is a system that allows you to apply for a discount on paid courses. While not all courses offer this option, many do. To check if a course provides financial aid, simply click on the course, and if the financial aid available option appears, you can apply. If the option isn't available, it means that financial aid isn't offered for that particular course. To begin the process, click on the Financial Aid Available option and then click on Next. If you're approved, you may receive up to a 90% discount on the course's regular price. Click Continue to the application to proceed. The application form will ask you to provide some personal details. First, select your highest level of education. Then, enter your annual income and choose your currency from the drop-down menu. Next, specify your employment status, whether you're employed full-time, part-time, unemployed, or a student. The next section requires a brief description explaining why you're applying for financial aid. Be honest and provide a valid reason, such as your current financial situation and your commitment to completing the course. Once you've filled out all the information, scroll down and click Next. You'll then be asked how much you can pay for the course and how it aligns with your personal or professional goals. Take a moment to explain how this course will help you achieve them. Finally, confirm that you're fully committed to completing the course and that the information you've provided is accurate. You'll also need to type the sentence, "I agree to the terms above," in the designated box. Once you've completed all the required fields, click on Review. This will display all the information you've entered. Double-check everything, and when you're ready, click Submit Application. If your application is accepted, you'll receive a discount for the course. In most cases, applications for financial aid are successful, and you'll be able to start learning at a reduced cost.